Hi, I'm Justine, and welcome to my 7 Days to Slimmer program. I'm so glad you found this. Now, you're probably wondering who I am and why you should care. So my name's Justine SanFilippo. I've been a health coach and nutritionist for about 15 years, and I only embarked on this journey to help myself. I put on a lot of weight in college. I put on about 45 pounds in 4 months my junior year, all of a sudden, and I suddenly had no self-esteem. I had an unhealthy relationship with food. I was driving myself nuts trying to lose the weight and trying different diets and literally driving myself insane, which is why I eventually wrote the book, Lose Your Inches Without Losing Your Mind. So my passion is to help people achieve their healthiest and happiest self in mind, body, and spirit. Yes, the food is important. Yes, exercising is important, but it's also our attitude, our emotions, that positive outlook, that visualizing, knowing that you can do it in a good perspective. Like, nothing happens overnight. It has to be slow and steady, and keeping that overall goal in mind and that overall why, so that you continue to move forward to achieve your goals. So in my 7 Days to Slimmer program, you're going to receive a positive affirmation every single day. You're going to get a journal so you can note your goals for the day, your emotions, your mood, anything that comes up. You're also going to get a lesson every day. So it's going to be about nutrition, food labels, grocery shopping. There's a mix and match meal plan. There's recipes. We'll talk about caffeine, sugar, artificial sweeteners, inflammatory foods. So all sorts of goodies in there. And there's a few bonuses. And there's also a meal tracker. So if you want to write down your foods and drinks each day, I find it really helpful for accountability so you can start to notice your own patterns. Because oftentimes we forget what we ate just an hour ago. So it really helps to write things down. And quite honestly, that's the only way I lost my weight, as I wrote every little thing in a little notebook, that was in my purse, so I could actually see what I was eating and drinking and stay accountable to myself. So if this sounds great to you, then just click on the button below. The 7 Days to Slimmer program is only $27, so it's super cheap, and it'll be delivered right to your inbox right away. So go ahead and click, and I'll see you on the inside.